Ever wanted to get into prop making and didn't know where to start? Well, you've come to the right channel because I've tried to make it so anybody can get into doing something as simple as the bottles, all the way up to making your own cannon. This is a place of creativity and enjoyment. I want you to come and build. I want you to take your own twists on things. I want you to come up with everything that you've always wanted to build but never knew how. Everything you see here, there's already a video on the channel for it. Whenever I do stuff, I try to make sure that if I build something, that you will be able to follow along. Regardless, I hope you enjoy the channel, and please come back and subscribe and like, because we're just getting going. Have a good one all.